China has just showcased a jaw-dropping lineup of robots at the Canton Fair, and these machines aren't prototypes. They're real, functional, and already working across hotels, hospitals, farms, restaurants, factories, and city streets. From humanoids that can smile, guide tourists, and answer questions, to robotic dogs, medical assistants, and even automated fruit-picking arms. This isn't sci-fi. This is China's AI-powered present. In this video, we're revealing 25 of the most advanced jaw-dropping robots that are live, deployed, and replacing human labor in ways you've never imagined. 100% of viewers should comment, which robot shocked you the most, and would you trust it in your home or workplace? Unitree G1, China's humanoid robot fighter, Unitree G1 stunned the Canton Fair crowd with its lifelike movement and real-world application. Known for performing backflips and even boxing, this humanoid is now in mass production. Unitree opened a 10,000 square meter factory in Ningbo to meet rising demand, producing both humanoids and robotic dogs. They even develop their own motors and assemble internally. These robots aren't just performers. They're scalable products ready for deployment across industries. Functional, affordable, and freakishly agile, Unitree's G1 is leading the humanoid revolution in both labs and factories. 2. MagicBot, the navigation genius Magic Lab, introduced the third generation of their humanoid, MagicBot, a robot that navigates chaotic spaces like a pro. With RGBD cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and 42 degrees of freedom, it walks, lifts up to 20 kilograms, and operates for 5 hours straight. Its advanced spatial awareness lets it move through rough terrain and tight areas with ease. Originally developed for futuristic hotels and malls, MagicBot shows what's possible when AI, design, and real-world utility collide. Three, Canon Robotics. Robots that clean, greet, and carry. Cannon Robotics brought an entire service automation system to the Canton Fair. Their bots can check guests in, clean rooms, and even carry humans. Yes, people, using suitcase-shaped mobile platforms. Controlled via a single smartphone app, they move autonomously across large buildings and hotels. With Canon, robots aren't just helpers. They're replacing entire human-facing jobs in hospitality and logistics. 4. Badbots Property Patrol Squad. Badbot unveiled a full ecosystem of robots designed for modern buildings. The Insignia X3 greets and guides guests, while Breb 2 delivers packages across floors. The P3 dances for entertainment, and the T2 model teaches children through play. Each robot serves a distinct role, all coordinated through AI. These aren't experimental toys, they're working together in smart properties today, creating fully autonomous environments where human staff are no longer required. 5. Deep Robotics. Lix M20, the all-terrain industrial beast. The Lix M20 by Deep Robotics isn't your average quadruped. Designed for extreme industrial use, it climbs stairs, navigates gaps, and hauls 15-kilogram loads, even at 18 kilometers per hour. It withstands minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 5 degrees Celsius temperatures and follows routes via smart mapping and location systems. With weatherproofing and full autonomy, it's built for power plants, disaster zones, and rugged fieldwork. Forget cute robot dogs. This one is built for serious jobs. 6th, Canon X-Men R1, the team player robot. Canon's humanoid robot, the X-Men R1, is designed to function inside restaurants and bars, working in harmony with other bots. It's not just a server. It takes orders, delivers meals, cleans tables, and acts as receptionists, all while coordinating operations with other machines. Canon focuses on robot collaboration, training units to work in human-like teams. Although it wasn't present at the fair, its real-world utility and coordination skills mark a shift from solo AI to group automation. 7. Go Game Robot, AI that competes and teaches. In a nod to China's passion for the game of Go, a dedicated AI-powered robot was presented, capable of competing with and defeating human players. But it doesn't just play, it also teaches. Visitors were invited to challenge the bot or learn Go from it in real time. This robot blends entertainment, education, and AI mastery into a single elegant machine built purely for mental challenge. 8. Alpha Robotics, Timo and Panda Bots. Alpha Robotics showcased Timo and Panda, two smart service bots. Timo is a greeting robot that speaks 40 languages, guides customers, and provides detailed environment descriptions. Panda is built for deliveries and can navigate crowded areas using LiDAR and advanced camera systems. These bots serve hospitality, healthcare, retail, and even government sectors. With over 300 patents and a presence in 75 countries, Alpha's robots are not just concept, they're global solutions. 9 AKA Robotics Wall Hackers, Climbing Industrial Bots. AKA Robotics revealed its wall hacker robots, rugged machines that scale vertical surfaces to perform industrial tasks like rust removal, painting, and inspection. Designed for environments unsafe for humans, ship hulls, wind turbines, and offshore rigs, these bots use magnetic grip, high-pressure cleaning, and computer vision to complete precise jobs autonomously. They're built for high-risk, high-reach engineering. 10. Kim Da's Robot Speaker and Pet Companion. Kim Da presented a mystical-themed smart speaker that includes an embedded humanoid figure, blending audio with robotics. They also showcased a robotic pet companion that plays interactive games with animals, dispenses treats, and allows owners to monitor and interact via live video. These aren't just gadgets. They're emotional tech devices designed for companionship and entertainment at home. 11th, Nia, the bionic AI receptionist. Nia is an advanced bionic humanoid designed for human-like interaction. With facial expressions, speech recognition, and intelligent decision-making, Nia can greet guests, answer questions, and engage in fluid conversations. She responds with nods, smiles, and handshakes, making her ideal for public services, education, and entertainment. Her subtle gestures and friendly presence make her one of the most lifelike robots at the Canton Fair. K2 Agricultural Robot by KTEC. The K2 robot from KTEC is designed for harvesting fruits and vegetables with precision. It can pick tomatoes and be customized for different crops. As demand for automated farming rises in China, K2 offers a scalable solution for labor shortages in agriculture, showing how robotics is changing food production. 13. Warehouse Picker Bots. These compact robots are designed to move through retail and logistics warehouses. They classify packages, operate in shuttle systems, and work in freezing temperatures, capable of lifting up to 30 kilograms. Perfect for automated e-commerce operations, they're already transforming how warehouses function. 14th, RoaE Calligraphy Robot. This ultra-realistic robot mimics the delicate movements of human calligraphy. With fine control over pressure, wrist, and finger motion, it can write detailed Chinese characters. Facial expressions like nodding add lifelike presence. It demonstrates the blend of AI with cultural tradition. 15. VTEC Walker S1. VTEC's humanoid robots are being used in large-scale industrial projects, including a planned purchase of 20 units by a major Chinese automaker. Backed by 2,680 patents and 40 robotics standards, VTEC is at the forefront of intelligent manufacturing robots in China. 16. Qinbao by Shanghai Robot Engine. The Qinbao robots are feminine humanoids known for realistic movements and expressions. With years of refinement, they're built for customer service, education, and events. They use advanced sensors and AI to maintain conversations and adapt to their environment. What we've just witnessed isn't science fiction. It's the beginning of a new age. These 25 AI robots aren't locked behind glass in research labs. They're already checking in guests, harvesting crops, guiding tourists, teaching kids, and even replacing front desk staff. From humanoids with facial expressions to industrial bots scaling walls, China is proving that the robot workforce has arrived. And it's working 24/7 without fatigue, breaks, or complaints. Some are charming, some are terrifying. All are real. So here's the question. Are we ready to share our world with machines this advanced, or are we already too late? 100% of viewers should comment, which robot shocked you the most, and would you trust it in your life? Like, share, and subscribe. Because the next robot you meet might not be on a screen, it might be standing right beside you,